We're back for part 2 of Kyle's LS swap. Looks like we got none other than the famous Devin. What's up? Oh, he's got a cigarette.
Smoke the cigarette.
Smoking a ciggy. I brought you guys some things. They're my trial runs. They're yellow because I just wanted to burn through the yellow. I only brought 2 because I didn't realize you were gonna be here. But yeah, I don't care what you do with them. It doesn't matter. I just figured I'd bring them. I can make you whatever you want.
Wait, is this ready to stick on, or?
Yeah, it's ready.
No, I mean, you still have to peel the top half off, yeah?
What do you mean?
Yeah, you gotta peel the top half off the transfer.
Right.
Yeah, you gotta peel.
Well,
like,
it's sticky on the back side, so
yeah, it's just a little. I think that's so the roll stays together, like, cause that's on a big roll of.
Boost Shack Media.
Speed Shop. I changed it. It was too confusing.
Ah, damn it!
It was too confusing because I had the Facebook page separate from the.
Written out plain English. And I can't even read it.
Just say available soon. Wow, Kyle, look what you did. What you
It's
gonna
not
do?
finished yet. I didn't tack the fender skirt on yet because I think I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna have it so there's a little bit of lip that comes up,
Hell
overlaps.
Yeah.
But
This looks nice. Just
I mean,
tacked
it's
for now.
This side ain't done yet. I gotta cut this side out yet.
Oh yeah, I see. Well, I mean,
I haven't welded nothing. I'm just getting everything tacked.
Yeah, it looks mean though. I like it.
It'll look better with the phone.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I noticed the gap, but obviously that's not done.
I'm gonna add a piece in down there.
Battery tray
piece
cut
of
out.
tubing to connect the two.
How much of that down by the harness are you gonna do?
I pretty much.
Just cut up the firewall.
It's gonna get cut across here, and I'm gonna replace all the way down to the floor pan because you go down, it's rotted there, and then you go down a foot and it's rotted down at the bottom of the floor pan.
That's how mine was.
So I'm gonna do the whole floor pan.
I think that's how mine was because somebody had patched that in before I even got to it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is your chassis harness here. How much of that did you cut up?
Probably half.
That's about what I did.
There's a whole pile of wires over there that came out of there. A little bit of a mess in here.
Well, that's what happens. So maybe someone can tell us what this is. Some of our viewers. Where'd you say this went?
Goes right
On the wall.
These 2 bolts right here next to the master for the clutch. It's like a pack full of condensers. It goes into the engine harness.
I don't remember ever seeing that on my car. Anyone know? Maybe. Devin wants to know what that is.
I want to know what it is. If you figure out what it is, I'll give you 1 free.
1 for free. All right then. I'm sure they'll be.
That's a $10
chomping
value.
at the bit.
$10 value.
Turn on percent. Kyle's old piece of frame rail that he cut out.
Pro welds.
Nice.
For everyone in YouTube land, I want you to know that personal protection is a big deal.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure you have a bunch of flammable cans laying around, old fucking motor there. But above and beyond all, we do have a fire extinguisher back there, so we're safe. Safety.
I've noticed that like anyone who just wears glasses normally for a living just makes them safety glasses. Like, I have glasses on, I'm good. My grandpa does the same thing. So if you wanted to like switch intake and stuff,
Same.
Really. Bye, Devin.
I'm gonna cut it out in 2 sections.
Hey. Got him.
Oh, that's all rotted, but then if you look here, This is actually the new piece that I welded in over top of it, where there was nothing.
And that lighter color is the original?
This is the piece here, and you see where it's rotted?
Yeah.
That's the frame rail that's gone. And that's, yeah, this piece is just a temporary piece I put in.
Yeah.
Yeah, these nuts, them weren't there. That was all rotted off.
Oh, you added that? Oh,
Yeah,
that's
these
nuts
nuts-
that you welded. I see.
Those nuts are welded. This is a piece of just scrap stainless I had laying around
Yeah.
that I just
Jesus.
bent over the frame rail to kind of stiffen it up.
Yeah.
So there was nothing. This sway bar mount was completely gone. It was just flopping around.
This is what happens when you buy a minimal rust Datsun. Doesn't even matter. They're all like.
I'm not a professional either. I don't know what it is.
Hello. Nice.
I figure if I'm doing this part of the rail, I might as well do the whole thing all the way to the firewalls.
Yeah.
Yeah, this stuff I'm gonna have to take the grinder. And there's like there's 2 layers on top of this. I'll grind all that out and get it down to actual clean, solid metal.
We leave for Hawaii on Wednesday, so I'm not.
Going to Hawaii?
So I'm
Why?
gonna be gone for like 10 days.
Why are you going to Hawaii?
Our whole family's going. Sierra's coming with too. It's expensive as hell.
I have a friend in Ireland, the Bahamas, Hawaii on honeymoon.
Ireland would be cool.
She's sitting in the house pissed off like,
Yeah.
Hey, you got a couch.
Woo.
she paid for it, I didn't.
You got a couch that you paid for. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Once again, that was part 2 of Kyle's LS swap video. Me and my family have actually been on vacation in Hawaii for the past week and a half, so I didn't quite finish editing the video. I did some of it while we were staying in the condo, a little bit on the airplane ride over. But otherwise, Kyle has still been working on the car. I just haven't been around to film it. So thanks for watching, guys. This is the last day of the view outside the condo. It's not much from here. It's kind of power lines and stuff, but I might put a full video of the trip. You guys might not care so much about that, because obviously my channel is about car stuff, not vacation traveling, but it's something I enjoy, so I might throw a little bit of it onto the channel. Some of you guys might enjoy it. But regardless, thanks for watching, and hopefully part 3 of the LS swap will be soon. I've seen some pictures that Kyle sent over to me. He's still making progress. A lot of cutting and welding and fabrication going on his end. So we'll get back to that as soon as I get home and get a chance to go back over there and do some more filming. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, see you later.